Hi everyone, so here I am at the Botanical Garden and we're going to do a little trail. So we're going to see the Thain family forest. So that's where we're going to be looking at, and hopefully I want for us to get or see the waterfall. This is a 15-minute walk, but I do walk faster than 15 minutes. So here it is. It's like maple tree. It's a lot of maple trees. We are walking. There's the rocks right there. More rocks. Beautiful. It's such a beautiful day today. Coming from work. First going home, dropping off my belongings, and then just quickly leaving before I get too comfortable in the house. But here I am. It's only a 10-minute walk from where I live, but I do not take advantage. That's the beech tree right there. We have some stairs. More stairs. Alright, so we're gonna do the bridge trail to Hester Bridge and waterfall. So we are on the right path. Spice bush. How beautiful. Wow. It just feels so calm. There's like a nice little breeze, and it's just bringing in that fresh air. Beautiful. Look at the trees. So I've been here for a few minutes. I did see some birds. I saw some squirrels, and I got to see 2 butterflies. Oh, there's a bird right there. Oh, let me go a little bit slower. It's another one. I do like watching birds. Oh, there it is. Oh, look. Oh, and it flew away. Oh, so cute. Glacier and geology. So this here is part of glaciers. So there should be an old glacier in this part of the forest. It's a lot of people. Oh, you can hear the water. I'm gonna have to walk more down. There's more stairs. Take a move the camera this way. Oh, let's see if you can see it. From here you can see it. But my goal is to make it all the way down there. Wow. I really wish I was just the only person here. A blueberry something. Oh, look at the bridge. There's a bridge right here. We're gonna there is the bridge, but I think it's this way. It might be this way to the waterfall. Look at that. How beautiful. How nice and beautiful. This is bringing me up. I don't think it's bringing me down. Maybe it'll take me around. So beautiful. Once again, this is my secret garden. My secret garden. And the membership is not bad. Just for one person, they do have the spring discount. And then you could donate $5. So the total came up maybe to $90. But every year I do renew my my membership. Just because I do love this place so much. Oh, there's like a bluebird over there. I'm gonna walk quietly. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, there it is. I zoomed the camera. Shh, shh, shh. Nice and quiet. Oh. Let me zoom out so you can focus. Oh, flew away. Oh, these birds are so fast. Oh. I think I need to zoom more out. Okay, but you can still hear the water. Look at the waterfall. Wow. I'm gonna zoom in. Look at that waterfall. Let's see if I could get closer. But just listening to the water really helps clear your mind of any thoughts. But this is not the right way. This is a dead end. I might have to go the other way around. Where are we here? So the trees here, they're saying they're over 200 years old. Over 200 years old. That is so cool. Wow. Let me walk a little bit down. Oh, there's a lot of people down there. Alright. Let me quickly make my way down there just to be closer. I'm sure it's gonna feel fresher. It's a beautiful day. What a beautiful, beautiful day. The Botanical Garden. Woo. Just being in nature. The water. So I guess as you're washing this, you can use it as a tool to meditate, right? So breathing in and out. So in through your nose and out through your mouth. Just breathe. Breathe in, hold it, and breathe out. All right, let me walk quick. If you guys are not able to see the waterfall, if I don't make it by the 10 minutes, I'll be definitely taking pictures of this beautiful waterfall. People here are crossing the bridge. I know I could look at the map and see how to get there. Oh. Just taking a picture. I think I need to go this way. I'm not gonna cross the bridge. I'll go down this way. Because I came up from the stairs. I mean, you come here and you get lost. You have fun. It's an exercise. Some of the wildlife that you can see in this forest. I'll be so happy to see an owl, but no, I haven't seen an owl. Maybe in the nighttime they come out. Look at that tree. Look at the arms, the branches. Funny. Cute. Maybe I'll go a little longer. Oh, this is taking me down. Oh, look at another bird. I'm not able to see it. See, the waterfall is long. It's still running. Beautiful. So it's like an ecology, different animals that you find here. Look at this tree. Whoa. Beautiful. An oak tree. Oak trees do have healing properties. So they say it's always good luck to have them in your home. The oak, the elm, apple trees. Oh, look at all these birds. Beautiful. Oh. Look at them. Still going. Maybe we gotta go this way. It's a beech tree over here. A lot of those. I'm gonna end the video very soon. Another beautiful tree. There has to be a way to get to the waterfall, but I'm gonna end it here. But definitely it still comes all the way down over here, and you can still hear it. It's a beautiful day. All right, so thank you, Botanical Garden, for providing us with a beautiful view of nature. All right, thank you for protecting this beautiful habitat. I absolutely love it. I really, really do. The space here is beautiful. Thank you to all the workers that work here to make this a beautiful place where when people come here, they feel at peace, they feel happy, and they completely forget about their worries. Thank you, thank you, thank you.